Hi friends, welcome back to this pre-market analysis where on a chart we make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is the daily chart of Nifty and these are the lines we drew yesterday. So as you can see, Nifty is trading in a very tight range. I believe it's expiry related constraints and there's a budget coming up, so perhaps all the big guns are holding their shots just waiting for the budget. We'll get a better picture tomorrow. As usual, let's just delete all the lines that we drew and start afresh. Yes, delete everything. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. The internet is a bit slow, so bear with me. Yes, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this low hasn't been taken. So this is the base that's previously created by strong buyers. So this has to be taken for the bullish bias to be invalidated. Important levels. Previous ATH is the most important level. Big sellers sold off from there. And support level. Previous swing high is still the most important support. Till the end of the month, this would be considered a support because even on the last day, there can be a huge buyback. Now, previous swing low is the level that needs to be protected for the bullish bias to hold on a monthly time frame. Now, going over to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I am still not sure of a bias. As you can see, it is hugely bearish, but I'm not still writing a bias to it because I'm not sure where the sellers are until I get a swing high, and then I know, and then there's a sell-off, then I know that buyers have come down and have created a new baseline level here for their price. So that's when I will call it bearish. So right now I would say it's not sure. Are there any important levels to watch out for? There is this one order block. So what's an order block? This is the red candle before a big move happened on the upside. So I will just get the midpoint of the body of this order block, and then let me put a line there. That's supposed to be a support line. So, and as you can see, Nifty is indeed taking support at this line. Let's make it thinner so that I know it's a weekly level in the live market. So that's the only level I can think of right now. Then the most important level, the swing low, is already been marked on a monthly time frame. So I'll leave it right there, and then let's go over to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, Nifty is bearish. It's still bearish. Had been bearish. It's still bearish. This is swing high. This is the lowest swing high that had been created. So this is the new level that needs to be protected. Let me just mark it out. So a level that needs to be protected on a daily time frame is this. So this could help define a range for Nifty. Let me just mark it in red. Yeah. So, and the lower level is of course this swing high this level that we had marked here. And if Nifty decides to come down, then we have another level that we need to define as a target for Nifty. Well, this is the target for Nifty. Let me mark it in green. Why is it a target for Nifty? Because this is a major low. A major low means it has a swing low to the right of it and a swing low to the left of it. That's higher than this particular swing low. So this is a major low. So the next target for Nifty would be this. In fact, today I had thought it would drop all the way down, but then there was no short covering in 25,000 guys. They held very well, and then we'll see tomorrow if that happens. So this is the major range for Nifty right now, 25,435 and 24,587 on the top and bottom. On daily time frame, this is the range for Nifty that I'll be looking for. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is still bearish. You can see there is one flat top. There's one flat top, 2, 3, 4, 5 flat tops. That means big sellers all the way down. So flat tops are all big sellers. So if you just mark these levels need to be protected. I don't want to mark each one of them. So right now, in a 4-hour time frame, it's still bearish. Going over to the hourly time frame. An hourly time frame, it has become not sure. I'll mark it up first and then I'll tell you why. It's not sure. In fact, it has turned bullish, I would say, because you see, what the sign of when do I say it's bearish? When it consistently creates lower highs. So this was the previous high and that high was taken. So then I look if a higher low was created. So this was a low and this was a higher low that was created. So this is turned bullish. I don't know if it matters because everything above it is bearish. If it's a sign of reversal, then you'll see tomorrow that after the hourly, if it turns bullish on hourly time frame, then it turns bullish on a 4-hour time frame, then it turns bullish on a daily time frame. So it goes up to higher time frames progressively. That's how an index turns bullish or reverses from a certain bias. So let's see if that happens, or this could be just a spike that happened with the closing of orders on a that was my Bluetooth speaker turning off on an expiry day, I would say. So, well, that's it from my side. As usual, whatever I show here is only for educational purpose. I'm not a certified analyst. All the best. Thank you.